How to fix tap to go back to call in progress. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now for this process, what you simply need to do is launch the settings application of your device. As you do that, scroll down and tap on apps. Now tap on manage apps and here you can see the search bar. So just tap on the search bar and search for phone. So here you can see the phone option. So tap on it and tap on the clear data option at the bottom right corner of the screen over here. So as you tap on it, you can get two options, clear all data and clear cache. You have to select clear all data. As you do that, go back and here you can see the option of phone services again in the search bar. So tap on it and do the same process of clearing all data over here. As you do that, go back again and all you have to do is make another search where you can see the option of manage calls. So tap on it and then tap on clear data and tap on clear all data again, and this might fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.